The roadside, don't walk too fast. Have your emergency kits ready. Have your candles ready. Have your flashlights ready. Have your crank up radio ready. Have your extra batteries ready. Drink lots of green tea, white tea, red tea. Drink lots of green tea to keep you warm. Have your furnaces ready and turn on your furnaces to keep the house warm. When a blizzard's over, make sure to have your shovels ready, snow scoops ready, snow plows ready, snow blowers ready, and snow trucks ready as well. If you have anybody living in Massachusetts, be prepared for a massive blizzard on Tuesday, January 27, 2000.
Okay, January 27, 2015 snowstorm. This is in front of my door. Okay, can't see my neighbor's house over there. That's so white out. Wow. It's blowing in here. I better close the door. Gee.